with you.
Live up, it's okay. Live up, it's alright.
If I wake up in World War III, yeah.
If I wake up,
I see destruction and poverty. Oh my, my, my. And I feel like I wanna go home. It's okay. You're coming with me.
live up, it's okay. Live up, it's alright.
Your love is my love, and my love is your love. It will take an eternity to break us. It will take all the stars just to hold us. Your love is my love, and my love is your love. It will take an eternity to break us. It will take all the stars just to hold us.
Live up, it's okay. Live up, it's alright. Live up, it's okay.
If I lose my fame and fortune,
There's no way that can change me.
and I'm homeless on the street, and I'm sleeping in Grand Central Station, it's okay. You're sleeping with me.
Live up, it's okay. Live up, it's alright.
As the years they pass us by, years pass us by, we stay young to each other's eyes. Oh my, my, my. And no matter how we get, it's okay. As long as I got you, baby.
Live up, it's okay. Live up, it's alright.
Come on, baby, don't be shy. Girl, I've been watching you from afar, and I can see it in your eyes. I cannot escape this physical attraction. It's driving me insane, insane. Bet you didn't know you're the one that I've been waiting for. Bet you didn't know you're the one that I've been living for. Bet you didn't know you're the one that I've been screaming for. Bet you didn't know you're the one that I've been longing for. Everywhere I look, it's you I see, girl. There's no way I can hide that I need you to be with me. Come on, baby, don't you be shy. Bet you didn't know you're the one that I've been waiting for. Bet you didn't know you're the one that I've been living for. Bet you didn't know you're the one that I've been screaming for. Bet you didn't know you're the one that I've been longing for. Summertime or winter time, any time of the year, it will do. I just hope and pray that you'll be here, so I can spend some time with you, baby. I bet you didn't know you're the one that I've been waiting for. I bet you didn't know you're the one that I've been living for. I bet you didn't know you're the one that I've been screaming for. I bet you didn't know you're the one that I've been loving.
La da da da. Went to a dance last Saturday night. I was feeling tipsy and the mood was right. Sight a little daughter and I step in the corner. I feel like dancing all night. But I said, cool down the pace for me, little woman. You're dubbing it too fast for me. Cool down the pace for me, little woman. That's not how it should be. I told her to try. I don't know why. No use trying 'cause she can't until she do it how she wants. So I said, cool down the pace for me, little woman. You're rocking it too fast for me. Cool down the pace for me, little woman. That's not how it should be. You're rocking too fast for me. You made my day. Hurts to know you're going away. Seems like my life began to ruin now that you're departing pretty soon. But what more can I say? Sad to know that you're leaving. Even though it's kinda grieving. Sad to know that you're leaving. But I know that you'll return real soon. Alright, you can send me a postcard. Mail it on to do same yard. You know what loneliness brings, but Jah will guide you out and coming in. What more can I say? Yeah. Sad to know that you're leaving. Even though it's kinda grieving. Sad to know that you're leaving. But Jah will guide you out and coming in. Oh yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah. All right. How do you feel? When you're at your meal, yeah. And the things that people say, yeah, yeah. just a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more than before. A little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more than before. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Said it was love, 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 love in my heart. Yeah. Oh, love that I feel, yes, yeah, well, oh, yeah, yeah, oh, boy, all right, yeah, oh, yeah, all right, ooh, yeah, yeah. My sugar, say you're my honey, you're my sugar, and my daddy, you're my sugar, and you're my honey, you're my daddy, say you're my sugar, yeah. A rainy sunset at Ocean Palace in the grill. It was a groovy situation, a splendid vibration. Just sun was setting low on the deep blue sea. I was so happy, 'cause my love was with me, and I prayed to the heaven above. I said, send me a sign of love. I've seen a rainy sunset at Ocean Palace in the grill. A rainy sunset at Ocean Palace in the grill. Oh, we Lord, a rainy sunset at Ocean Palace in the grill. A rainy sunset at Ocean Palace in the grill. Yeah, heaven knows I love you so. I'm so into you. Don't walk away. What did I do without your sweet loving? I'd be useless, you see. Oh, Father up above, confirm this sign of love. I've seen a rainy sunset, that ocean palace in the grill. A rainy sunset, that ocean palace in the grill. Ooh, we Lord. A rainy sunset, that ocean palace in the grill. Oh yeah, yeah. Rainy sunset, that ocean palace in the grill. Anywhere I turn, disappointment haunting all my dreams. Then I saw her face. Now I'm a believer, not a trace of doubt in my mind. I'm in love, yes. I'm a believer, and I couldn't leave her, not if I tried. Love is more or less a give and take. Seemed the more I gave, the less I got. What's the use of trying when all you get is pain? When I needed sunshine, I got rain. Now I saw her face, and I'm a believer, not a trace doubt in my mind. I'm in love, ooh, I'm a believer, and I couldn't leave her, not if I tried. Oh, love was out to get me, and that's the way it seemed. Disappointment haunting all my dreams. Then I saw her face. Now I'm a believer, not a trace doubt in my mind. I'm in love, I'm a believer, and I couldn't leave her, not if I tried. I thought love was more or less a give and take. Seemed the more I gave, the
see the light. And whenever I look up, I couldn't see the sky. Sometimes when I'm standing, it seems I got to walk a mile. My heart could be crying, yet in the middle of a smile. But then I climbed the hills and saw the mountains. I hollered help 'cause I was lost, and I felt a strong wind. Heard a small voice saying the storm is over. And I can see the sunshine beyond the clouds. I feel heaven is over me. Come on and set me free. Oh, in the midst of my battle, all hope was gone. Downtown in a rush crowd, and felt all alone. Every now and then I felt like I would lose my mind. I've been racing for years and still no finish line. But then I climbed the hills and saw the mountains. I hollered help 'cause I was lost, and I felt a strong wind. Heard a small voice saying the storm is over. And I can see the sunshine.
Go and tell her you're sorry. You ain't too big to apologize, no, no. If you care that much about her, you gotta treat my sister nice, yeah, yeah. I heard you kick her in her bum even though she's still your baby. But that's not the way to treat a lady. If she is wrong, try show her the right. No need to quarrel, no need to make a fight, because the daughters take a little longer to sight up the father, yeah. I said the daughters take a little longer to do the works of Jaja. Never let her go astray, yeah. Try show her the right way, yeah. I heard you kick her in her bum even though she's still your baby. But that's not the way to treat your lady. If she is wrong, try show her the right. No need to quarrel, no need to make a fight, because the daughters take a little longer to sight up the father, yeah. I said the daughters take a little longer to do the works of Jaja. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah. Please give me a chance so I can make my confession. Although I was wrong, won't you please overrule your objection and give me one chance so that I can make things out with you. I I must apologize, 'cause I'm so sorry to treat you so cruel. Although I was wrong, seem I was only playing a fool. So just one more chance, so we can talk this thing over. One more chance, 'cause I don't wanna end as the loser. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah. I must apologize, 'cause I'm so sorry to treat you so cruel. Although I was wrong, team, I was only playing a fool. So please give me a chance, so I can make my confession. Although I was wrong, won't you please overrule your objection and give me one chance, so that I can make things up with you. Yeah. Oh, 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 oh.
Hold on to what you got. 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 If you can accept lot of criticism, then you know you're on your way. If you can accept on your journey, then you know my heart is yearning. Oh yeah, hold on to what you got. 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 If you can accept on your journey, then you know on your way. If you can accept on your journey, then you know my heart is really yearning. Oh yeah, boy, oh, boy, oh, boy, oh, boy, oh. Hold on to what you got. 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 Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Whoa, whoa. If you on the way, first for a minute, then you know how I'm feeling. If you only wait just for a minute, then you know my heart is really yearning. Oh yeah, yeah. Hold on to what you got. Hold on to what you got. Yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Little bit of love, all we need. Are you thinking, darling, that I've been untrue? Could it be you believe that I was not meant for you? Listen, sweetheart, this just could not be. For you are the only good thing that ever happened to me. Little bit of love is better than no love. Even the sad love is better than no love.
all lovers do. But you know in your heart, darling, baby, I do care for you. So don't ever think of setting me free. See, you are the only good thing, baby, that ever happened to me. Yeah, a little bit of love is better than no love. Even the sad love is better than no love. Even the bad love, baby girl, is better than no love at all. I wanna say it again, I gotta say it again, yeah. A little bit of love is better than no love.
Happiness is loving you, loneliness is losing you, but life is worth living, baby. Oh yeah. Happiness is loving you, loneliness is losing you, but life is worth living, baby. But if your love should ever prove untrue, I would rather spend my days in loneliness thinking of you, baby. I'm thinking of you, baby. I just think of you. Oh, happiness is loving you, loneliness is losing you, but life is worth living, baby. Happiness is loving you, loneliness is losing you, but life is worth living, baby. Oh, darling. Oh, baby.
Well, caress me, girl, embrace me, girl. You'll never ever go astray. Caress me, girl, embrace me, girl. Oh, well, a man in my position can't afford to look ridiculous. No. You insult my intelligence, making me furious. Whoa. So caress me, girl, embrace me, girl. You'll never ever go astray. Caress me, girl, embrace me, girl. Wow, well, caress me, girl, embrace me, girl. Make me feel like a $1 million man. Yeah. Whoa, oh, caress me, girl. Whoa, yeah. Whoa, yeah. The first time I laid eyes at you, you teased and said I'm untrue. Yet deep in my heart I knew I was in love with you, girl. So caress me, girl, embrace me, girl. You'll never ever go astray. Caress me, girl, embrace me, girl. We are. Ooh. Let me be that someone very special you come home to. Let me be the one you cling to. Yes. Whoa. Let me be that someone very special that you dream of. Ooh. For now I've got something to say, yeah. Ooh. Turn my world upside down. Make me wander from town to town. Many miles from home I've roamed. Boy, you blow my mind. Now you know how I'm feeling. How you feeling too? Lately I've been watching you changing. Boy, you blow my mind, girl, oh girl, oh girl. You really
saved me from all my sins and sorrows. You better believe it now. Call on a friend, just call on a friend, Jaja. Call on a friend, just call on a friend, Jaja. How do you feel to take an innocent life in the street? Tell me how you feel. How do you feel when you're hungry and you don't have no food to eat? Just hold on strong, don't let go. Keep the faith and you will know what a friend can do. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Call on a friend, just call on a friend, Jaja. Call on a friend, just call on a friend, Jaja. I'm tired of seeing the blood pouring in the street. The youths, them don't have no clothes, nor no shoes to wear on their feet. What next to do? What more can we say? Call on Jah, He will show you the way. What a friend can do. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Call on a friend, just call on a friend, Jaja. Call on a friend, just call on a friend, Jaja. Call on a friend, just call on a friend, Jaja. Call on me, my brothers. Call on Jah. Jaja is your friend. I call on Him and He saved me from all my troubles.
Please don't you hurt her, though she once threw an arrow in my heart. Though she isn't in my top 10, still she is on my chart. The way she loved brings sweet, sweet memories. Maybe it's the beginning of her misery. 'Cause I don't care what school she's been, you see. 'Cause she's still taking lessons from me. Ooh-wee. Though she isn't in my top 10, still she is on my chart. Sitting in the back bench, still she's a student of my class. The way she loved brings sweet, sweet memory. Maybe it's the beginning of her misery. 'Cause I don't care what school she's been, you see. Yeah, she's still taking lessons from me. Ooh-wee. No joke about it. Now I may not be familiar with your language, but I sure would like to cross over your bridge. Said I may not dress in style as the man in your town do, but I sure know how to say I love you. I wanna love you in the morning, love you in the evening too. Even when you're lonely, make you happy when you're feeling blue. I'm just a stranger in your town. Once in a while I pop around. I may not be familiar with your language, oh no, but I sure am gonna cross over your bridge. Do I mean a dressing style as the man in your town do? But I sure know how to say I love you. I wanna love you in the morning, love you in the evening too. Even if you're lonely, make you happy when you're feeling blue. Though I'm just a stranger in your town, once in a while I pop around. Let's be friends. Friends that never end.
Yeah, yeah. Whoa, now. Ooh, yeah, yeah. How could I leave? How could I possibly go on? If you should say goodbye, just like a rose, if you don't water it every morn, it withers and it dies. Promise you won't leave me. Promise you won't hurt me. Promise you won't ever make me blue. If you ever leave me, if you should desert me, baby, I don't know just what I do. I don't know just what I do. I really don't know just what I do. Whoa. It was ordained that man should leave his mother and the king to the woman that he loves. Yeah, I'm very sure that I could never love anyone the way I love you now. Yeah, promise you won't leave me. Promise you won't hurt me. Promise you won't ever make me blue. If you ever leave me, if you should desert me. Love has found its way in our hearts today. Yeah, love has found its way in our hearts today. When your love is beautiful, there's nothing that can go wrong. When two hearts beat together, it's like an everlasting song. It's like an everlasting song. The moon shines bright over yonder, yeah, and it makes me feel so fine. I'm so thankful, baby, that Jah has made you mine. I'm so thankful that Jah has made you mine. 'Cause love has found its way in our hearts today. Love has found its way in our hearts today. In our hearts today.
Don't think of me, oh no. push me away. You said don't do it, no, not here. So tell me why you don't want me to hold your hand in public. Tell me, baby, tell me why you don't want me to hold your hand in public. Oh no. Old time people say every whore got them stick a bush. So if you don't want me, girl, tell me and let me push. Why you don't want me to hold your hand in public? Tell me, baby, tell me why you don't want me to hold your hand in public. One of my lovers, what I am, oh, yeah. Life is a flower, blooming all day long. Hey, oh, life is sweet, and life is sugar. It's here to stay. Saying that we're honeybees, and we keep sucking life's sweetness. And when they ask me how do I do it, this is all I've got to say. I'm working together, and our honeycomb. Working together, and our honeycomb. By really working together, and our honeycomb. Well, now in the distance I can feel there's a blizzard coming on, yes. And in that blizzard there's a wind, oh, such a mighty wind that make us feel that we lose all. But oh baby, we drive them fears away, good Lord. All of them fears weren't meant to stay. And when they ask, how in the world do we do it? I just bow my head and say, working together, and our honeycomb. Working together, and our honeycomb. By really working together, and our honeycomb. Well, we work all day, all night, with our love, baby. Yes, sir. Yeah, yeah.
I'm that star up in the sky. I'm that mountain peak up high. Hey, I made it. Oh, I'm the world's greatest. I'm that little bit of hope. When my back against the ropes, I can feel it. Oh, I'm the world's greatest. I am the mountain. I am the tall tree. Oh, I am the swift wind sweeping the country. I am a river down in the valley. Oh, I am a vision. I can see clearly. If anybody asks you who I am, just stand up tall, look him in the face and say, I'm that star up in the sky. I'm that mountain peak up high. Hey, I made it. Oh, I'm the world's greatest. I'm that little bit of hope. When my back's against the the jungle. I am a marching band. I am the people. I am a helping hand. I am a hero. If anybody asks you who I am, just stand up tall, look him in the face and say, I'm that star up in the sky. I'm that mountain peak up high. Hey, I made it. Oh, I'm the world's greatest. I'm that little bit of hope. When my back against the ropes, I feel it. I can read your mind, and I know your story. I can see what you're going through. Yeah, it's an uphill climb, and I'm feeling sorry, but I know it will come to you. Yeah, don't surrender. You can win in this thing called love. When you want it most, there's no easy way out. When you're ready to go and your heart's left in doubt, don't give up on your prayer. Love comes to those who believe it, and that's the way it is. That's the way it is. Oh yeah, that's the way it is. When you question me for the simple answer, I don't know what to say. No, but it's plain to see. If you stick together, you're gonna find a way. So don't surrender. You can win in this thing called love. When you want it most, there's no easy way out. When you're ready to go and your heart's left in doubt, don't give up on your prayer. Love comes to those who believe it, and that's the way it is. That's the way it is. Oh yeah. When life is
Meet me at the corner. Down your avenue. And I'll be patiently, waiting there for you. I said to tune in till the morning. Tune in your message string. 'Cause I like it like that. I like it like that. I like it like that. Yeah. I like it like that. So tune in till the morning. Tune in your message string. You should know how to groove me. I said to tune in till the morning. Tune in your message string, 'cause I like it like that. I like it like that. I like it like that, yeah. You know I like it like that, yeah. Tune in till the morning. Tune in your message string. I know you wasn't around when I was living myself. Yet you sit back and relax and you took all the wealth. Is it material things you're running after? Or is it crazy that you're giving on to rest? I really wanna know right now. I gave a hand unto the wicked, but I gave him it with caution. While I was giving love, he was seeking for reaction. Tell me, is it material things you're running after? Or is it crazy that you're giving on to rest? I really wanna know right now. Yes, I really wanna know right now. Oh, Mr. Wicked. I know you wasn't around when I was living myself. Oh gosh. Yet you sit back and relax and you took all the wealth. Is it material things you're running after? Or is it praises you were giving on to rest? Please, I really wanna know right now. Really wanna know right now. You put your trust in vanity and forget about your liberty. But I really wanna know right now. Now.
Mark my word, no, 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 no. They might fight them mothers, they might kill them brothers, some might fight them sisters, some might fight them fathers. Who they gonna fight when the right fight comes? Who they gonna fight when the right fight comes? Who they gonna fight when the right fight comes? Who they gonna fight when judgment comes? They might act like say all of them want come sell I out, but 30 pieces of silver, as far as I can see, yeah. They're treating me like Mother Joseph, whom they sold for a few pieces of silver. But where they gonna hide when the Father comes? What they gonna do when the judgment comes? Where they gonna hide when the Father comes? What they gonna do when the judgment comes? What they gonna do? Boy. Yeah, boy.
Telling friends that you are my
begun. So if you wanna be my number one, if you wanna be my number one, let me know your future plan. Try to do the things good to me, 'cause what is to be got to be. So if you wanna be my number one, tell me. If you wanna be my number one, let me know your future plan. Won't you, sister? I heard you said to me, you wanna be my number one. So let's talk about it, sister. Now the game